Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. So in this video I would like to share with you unboxing and first look of a really special knife that I was able to purchase. And don't get me confused, this will be not a Max Ace knife, but I just wanted to keep it in the box in that the knife came. So the previous owner was diligent enough to protect it really extraordinary. So he used this really nice sturdy box. It has been a long time since I had any kind of Max size knife, so I was not aware that they have such sturdy boxes. But inside this we have a Emerson knife, and as you probably know by the title of the video, this will be a Jungle CQC-8. So basically, what is going on here? Emerson does make time to time a special limited run offer, and this one, the last one was in 2017, but this one has blade from 2014, so I don't know if this was the first run and then in 17 was the second run, but basically he will produce a certain amount of pieces in this green, therefore it's called Jungle G10, and when they are sold, then for a few years there will be no other release of this model. So yeah, I was really lucky to get one. And like I mentioned probably some of my previous videos, it is really hard to get Emerson knives outside the US because they do not ship to dealers, and only possibility is to order within USA. And since Emerson does not ship worldwide, you have to go through a proxy or a friend. So I was really happy that I could find one here in my country, in Slovakia, and I got it in, I don't know, a weekend plus one day, so really fast. Okay, so let me give you some information about this model. So it has been is going strong since the 1980s. This model, the CQC-8, is really popular by some special military organization like the British SAS, and it has been seen a real combat experience since the Kosovo conflict. So these are, in my opinion, really a veteran blades by now. They have been proven in real war scenarios. So good to know. Not that I would need that, but it's good to know that you can rely on a knife. Okay, so the specifications are we have a 23.5 centimeters overall length, that is 9.25 inches. The blade is 9.7 centimeters or 3.8 inches. The width is 2.5 centimeters or 1 inch. The thickness is 3.1 millimeters or 0.12 inches. The handles are 13.8 centimeters or 5.4 inches, and the thickness is 1.4 centimeters or 0.5 inches. On the blade we have Emerson's 154 cm blade steel, and on this one we have a really nice interesting blade shape. So some could call it a modified clip point, a modified tento or reverse tento, but when I looked on my blade designation chart, something like a lacerator pattern was or did come close to it, or basically a reverse tento with a wide belly. Yeah. I'll be showing you some comparisons with different tentos at the later part of this video, so stay tuned for that. Okay, so for opening we have the patented wave feature from Emerson. Obviously Emerson knives are known for this feature, so it is like they are saying, it is the fastest opening feature in the world. Basically then the knife will catch on your pocket if you have it in your pants, and it will deploy while you are taking it out. Also there is the Emerson disc. As you can see, there is the patent number and the model name plus the date. On the handles we have really nice coarse textured G10. Liners are titanium, they are not skeletonized. Standoff construction. We have a generous lanyard hole. The pocket clip is made out of stainless steel. It has medium tension to it, so let's see how it goes inside the pocket. So the weight comes at 172.4 grams or 6 ounces, if you would like to know. So this is definitely not a lightweight knife, but has a really nice sturdy build to it, and this is how much it will stick out. And it did go fairly well in the pocket, but keep in mind that the coarseness of the G10 and the tension of the pocket clip, this will in time shred your pocket, of course, but still being very safe, you will not lose this knife. Okay, for pivot assembly, we have Nylatron washers, Emerson Nylatron washers inside. So what is that? Basically, it is a type of Teflon with a silicone coating. They have a dark black color, and they suppose have superior lubrication without any kind of additional oil or lubrication agent necessary. Standard hardware, like on all Emersons, we have flathead screws and Phillips. Let me check the centering. So the lockup. So the lockup is really nice, and even early for such an old knife. Lockup is really nice. No blade play whatsoever, and at this point this is completely smooth. So see, this is a really nice full-size tactical knife. You can see how it looks like in my XL size hand. So it has beautiful ergonomics, like most Emersons have. They will purposely built to be really locking you in really nicely. So the thumb ramp from the wave feature functions that your thumb will not slip forward with thrusting motions. Okay, so now let's see some size comparisons. Firstly, let me put in my Super Commander. You can see this is a larger knife, and like I mentioned, the CQC-8 has a special pattern on it with a really coarse woven pattern, and is different like the sandpaper one that is on the standard black G10 models. Also, the thickness is a little bit thicker than the black G10. Okay, since I talk about the 10-toe profile of the blade, let me put out the Recon 1, which is a really excellent, very well built and affordable, and still really nicely available knife. So if you can get yourself a Emerson knife, then probably my best recommendation would be a Cold Steel Recon 1. Now they are coming with a better blade steel than the old ones had. AUS 8. Nowadays they have S35EN. They have PVD finish, which is superior than this painted on Teflon color. And I forgot to mention that Emerson is using Ceracoat, so it is baked on and will provide really tough surface, and also corrosion resistance and abrasive resistance as well. So as you can see there, the Recon one is a little bit larger. This would be a American style 10-toe. Then let's continue with I have here a Japanese style 10-toe. This is the CRKT Goken. Then here is my custom Nova Blades Matte, which has also a modified 10-toe spear point. Now let's continue with the 710 McHenry & Williams, also excellent tactical blade. Unfortunately, these are discontinued, but you still get them on secondary markets, and maybe some dealers have still some of them on stock. And then here is the TR4 from Protec, a Strider SMF. This will be probably the same size, as you can see there. And let's see some more exotic. So this is the Petrified Fish 939 with this really nice exaggerated clip point, or how you would like to call it. Then I have the Big Lighter XL from Kaiser Knives. Speaking affordable tactical blades, the Berker Plus Automat Kalashnikov 101 model 2.0. This is the newest iteration of it. As you can see there, really a little bit larger. And now let's continue with some more known blades. So here is the Red Model 2. Spyderco Endura. Another beautiful reverse 10-toe is the 940 from Benchmade. Excellent Osborne design. Paramilitary too. Unfortunately, I do not have any military model, but since the Spyderco did release or will release the newest iteration of the paramilitary, that I will probably get one and have for size comparisons. Okay, here is the large Benchmade Reptilian. Here is the Peanut from Rough Rider. CVV Elementum. QSP Penguin. Benchmade Bug Out. And let's close it down with the K-Bar Dozer Folding Hunter. Okay, so this was the Emerson Limited Jungle CQC-8. If you have any questions, please leave comments down below. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can, of course. Still, I will try to get some more Emerson knives here for my collection, and that I'm able to share my opinions on them. What to say, they are purposely built and really nice made knives. I forgot to mention the pricing. So when these were available, the price was $268.95 for the black one, and they had also a a stone washed finished, which was a little bit cheaper. But yeah, nowadays when we are looking on some of really nice high-end Chinese knife costing $600 more likely this Emerson looking to be looking more affordable for those of us who are collecting these knives. Okay, with that being said, I wish you a wonderful day. I will see you soon. Bye.